The main lesson I learned from Roberto is the importance of true self-acceptance, which is the key of freeing oneself from the anxiety and fear caused by the body image issue. For 15 years, the woman remained hidden to shame and fear of judgment, but Roberto showed that love is patient and unconditional. Instead of forcing her to come out, he used art and fiction to slowly make the woman feel value. Her decision to come out wasn't due to pressure from Roberto, but rather her own decision to face her insecurities. The film is a beautiful reminder that true connection and happiness begin when you accept yourself completely and that love is always ready for your healing. Good day. After watching the winning CG short film Roberto, only the one clear lesson stuck with me. True freedoms come from self-acceptance, not from hiding. In these 5 minutes, I will share how the film demonstrated this and how it impacted my life. The video shows the woman's tense struggle, having hidden behind curtain for 15 years. Her curtain symbolized her fear and judgment because of her body image issue. The scene where she created art simply to release her emotions, where Roberto sent hearts and drawings, demonstrate that true love's width. It doesn't dictate. Roberto waited until she decided to come out, which proves that real change starts from within. While it wasn't about physical appearance, I connected this lesson to my own experience with things like being afraid to communicate in my studies. Sometimes I'm afraid to speak in front of them, to the point where I don't want to show up at all. I felt pressured by academics and was afraid of being judged, making mistakes, or especially failing. Sometimes I can't help but cry because I don't want to disappoint the people